Hello everyone and welcome to Code with Zuckerberg. In this tutorial, we are going to download and install Sublime Text. In order to do so, open your browser, and in the search bar, type Sublime Text.
Now click on the first link. Click on Downloads for Windows button. Run the setup when the download completes. Click on the Next button. Click on Install. Click on the Finish button. Congrats, you have installed Sublime Text successfully. Open Sublime Text. Click on File and create new file. Press Ctrl N, S, and save the file to any location you want, with any name of your choice, with extension .py. I am saving the file with name main.py. Click on Save button. You can see that type of file is Python. Now type print, and inside parentheses, in double quotes, type hello world, and save file by pressing Ctrl and S. You can see that here is our main.py file. In search bar, type cmd and press enter. As our main.py file is in desktop, to change the directory, type cd desktop and press enter. Now you can see that we are in our desktop. In order to run main.py file, type python space main.py and press enter. Here, you can see the output. Similarly, you can run any Python script from command line.